JJ, this is a 2010 Buick Enclave, absolutely loaded. Really not much to talk about because everything comes from the factory stuff. Television, 3.6 liter motor, great gas mileage.
All-wheel drive. This car is beautiful right out of the box. Pearlescent white paint, chrome alloy wheels, running boards, 2 moonroofs, just name it, this car's got it.
JJ, this is a beautiful 2010 GMC Terrain. I gotta tell you, it's loaded. Leather, everything you want in the car. Sunroof, roof rack, everything comes standard from the factory.
Well, not quite, but this car is our first one that we got, and this is a 2010 GMC Terrain, and it does have a lot of equipment. It's front wheel drive, leather interior, seats 5 people. This is a really comfortable car.